American Rotary phase converter.
It's gone out of their way to engineer
one size, and that was your load.
We're going to turn our main power on. We're testing a 240 volt, 20 horsepower.
We have a starter in this unit that will start it for us, so we don't have to have a remote switch in the line. The blower is going to be under load with this particular application because of the constriction of airflow through this thinner tube. So starting time that we typically try to...
We're at about 242, 239, 244. They're easy. All you need is your flathead screwdriver.
The tools you're going to need for installation are easy. A flathead and a Phillips. If you get 40 horsepower and above, 40 horsepower to 75 horsepower, you're going to need a 3/8 inch hex. We have several laser cut knockouts. We have the single phase in, we have a generator cable out, we've got a 3-phase breaker possibility here if you wish to have that. This is a spot for a 3-phase twist lock receptacle, if you wish to have that for maybe a remote welder or any items like that. And these are additional laser cut knockouts for 3-phase output. American Rotary's gone out of their way to make pulling your wires quite simple. You don't have to contend with the side of the case. They slide right in, so you have easy access.
Then we're going to secure the cable with the cable clamp. This cable is going to the idler. You're going to connect to A, B, and C. Secure your single-phase cable. We've given you an oversized ground lug for your single phase. It's always important to ground everywhere in the installation. And then secure on L1 is your input. L2 is your other single phase line. Here we're going to install the wires that go up to our load. We're going to put T1 is one of the single phase lines that carries through the converter. T2 is the other single phase line that carries through the converter. Over here on the other side is T3, the manufactured line. And that completes the installation.
Now that the wires are installed, we'll cinch up the top here. Now that we have the cover on the unit, this is where our single phase goes in, our 3-phase power is coming out. This is the power that goes to the generator.